Now, John, you're a lawyer, and I want to ask you about this case here that's been filed in Colorado to keep Donald Trump off the ballot. They're saying that he's ineligible to run because of some rarely used clause in the U.S. Constitution aimed at candidates who have supported an insurrection. I don't even remember this clause when I did civics and history and politics. Is this legit, or is this just another sort of scam by the left here to stop Donald Trump from running by any means necessary?
James, it's the latter. This is utter madness. What we're talking about here, and this, by the way, is a theory that has now gained favor across the Democratic Party. A lot of them are trying to do it in multiple states. We're talking about Section 3 of the 14th Amendment to the Constitution, which is one of the amendments passed after the Civil War. And what this particular section says is that if you have been an officer or a congressman in the U.S. government and you participate in an insurrection or rebellion, you are no longer eligible to serve as an officer of the U.S. government. It was aimed, obviously, at Confederates, who had previously been, for example, congressmen, and there were a number of those. Well, the idea that this applies to Donald Trump is completely insane. There is actually a federal statute that provides criminal penalties for participating in insurrection or rebellion. Donald Trump has not been charged under that statute, let alone convicted under that law. And what they're trying to do is to set up local authorities, an attorney general, I don't know, a secretary of state, somebody, on a state-by-state basis to rule that Donald Trump is an insurrectionist and therefore can't go on the ballot in their state. It is completely nuts. And I think the best explanation, James, is that the Democrats are trying to embroil Donald Trump in as many legal proceedings as possible between now and the election so that he can't be on the campaign trail. He can't be paying any attention to the election. He's constantly tied up in various legal battles.
John Hinderaker, they are going to destroy the Constitution in order to save it. Thank you so much. And read John's stuff on the Powerline blog.